To support the United Arab Emirates during the ongoing West Asian conflict, Israel reportedly rushed advanced air defense system and surveillance system to the UAE. To counter Iranian missiles and drone attacks, the deployment was carried out discreetly as the tension across the Gulf sharply escalated. According to reports, Israel dispatched a version of the Iron Beam laser defense system, which is a part of Israel's multiple-layer air defense network, alongside systems like drone Iron Beam. Unlike traditional missiles interceptors, Iron Beam used high-energy laser technology to destroy incoming aerial threats. Developed by Israel, the system detects targets using the radar, track them, precision and fire the concentrated laser beam capable of disabling or destroying threats mid-air. Iron Beam can reportedly intercept rockets, drone, UAVs, mortars, other low-flying aerial threats. The system is believed to have operational range of around 7 to 10 kilometers. Israel officially claimed laser can focus on target with coin-level precision within a distance. The report suggests the weapon generated nearly 100 kilowatt of energy, making it one of the most advanced directed energy system currently in use. Alongside Iron Beam, Israel also reportedly deployed a surveillance system known as Spectre, capable of detecting drones, missiles from 20 kilometers away. They highlighted the growing defense cooperation between Israel and UAE. Earlier report had falsely claimed that Israel deployed the Iron Dome system along with Israel troops inside the UAE. However, later, the clarification suggests that support mainly involved advanced laser and surveillance technology. The deployment came as the UAE faced one of the most intense attack waves in the region. During the conflict, Tehran reportedly launched nearly 550 ballistics and cruise missiles along with more than 2,200 drones towards the UAE, while Emirate defense system intercept many threats. But several projects still struck military and civilian locations. According to Emirate source, the scale of attacks made the UAE one of the most heavily targeted country in the region during the conflict. Now, after months of attack and uneasy ceasefire, the UAE Military of Foreign Affairs Minister has announced travel ban. Emirate citizens have restricted from traveling to Iran, Lebanon, and Iraq. As West Asia continues to face growing instability, Israel's quiet military assistance and UAE's emergency measures underline how fragile the regional security situation remains. For more such updates, stay tuned with us. Jai Hind.